Today we're going to run through completing an inspection. We'll start off with allocating an inspection, then viewing the inspection from my list on the activity screen. Once we're in the inspection, we'll then be looking at notes and attachments, editing the inspection type if that's required, then adding time, recording a meter reading, and answering any checklists within the inspection. After that, we'll look at the ways we can complete an inspection. So looking at the activity screen, we can see here that we can go ahead and view an inspection. I have the inspection filter on, so we're only going to see inspections. If there was any inspections to allocate from the unallocated tab, you would see them here. You could go ahead and allocate them to yourself. And then from here, you can also view the inspection. So we can go and tap it. We can see here, if we wanted to, we could unallocate. So tapping there, hitting unallocate. And then also from underneath there, we can view all the relevant details. So underneath there, details about the equipment. We can tap notes and attachments if we wanted to go and add a note. So you can see here, I've already added a note for this particular inspection. And then we can go and add photos and add documents and take photos there as well. Underneath, we have the inspection type. So you can go and edit the inspection type, and that will regenerate a checklist if a new checklist is relevant. And ultimately just makes it really easy to edit inspections in that regard, saving you going onto Baseplan Enterprise and doing it that way. Underneath we have time taken, so that is how much time it's taken in order to do the inspection. So I'm just going to chuck 1 for 1 hour, and then to the right of that we have the meter reading. So I'm going to put 1,000. And then it's prompted me saying that the current hour meter is 1401, therefore we need to put it above that. So we change this, put it to 1500, and then we can see there that it's worked correctly now. Underneath there we have checklists, so we can go ahead and answer the checklists. Within checklists, you can obviously see pass, fail, action needed, not attended. And then above there we have the ellipse, or the 3 dots, and we can go and add notes and attachments or take photos that will attach specifically to each point. So you can have an audit trail of that. I'll just quickly go through and fill in all of these ones. There we go. And then outstanding items, we can go ahead, tap into there, and we can see some examples there. So the examples, we've got a really random one there, and we've also got 2 that were created from a service job when they failed. Just go and hit back. Along the bottom, so we have a delete option, so you can delete inspections if you have access to. We can obviously hit complete to close the inspection if everything's okay. We can take a photo, so that's just a quick way to add a photo to the attachments. And we can also create a service job. So with creating a service job, there is 2 options in regards to inspections. One is to complete it, and one is to create a service job off the back of it. So in doing this, we can go ahead and create a service job. Oops, letting me know that we already have an open service job for the piece of equipment. And ultimately we can go and quickly create a service job for here. So I'm just going to go and put some basic details. If you're not sure about what I'm doing, please feel free to go and have a look at our service overview. And ultimately I'm just creating a service job. So there is a system parameter in the back of this that controls what functionality happens. So the parameter, I have it set so that when I press create in the bottom right, it will close the inspection automatically. And then if you have the parameter to the opposite value, then it will basically take you back to the inspection for you to complete the inspection there. So I'll hit create, hit success, and now the inspection's closed. And we can see the filter. There we go. So the inspection's now gone, and we have completed our inspection.